He knew another slower one was coming. What's Harris got this time? It's gone up, and it hasn't gone far enough. It has not gone far enough. So providing Harris Ralph can keep his size 13s behind the line and keep the ball below the waist, it could be all about Pakistan.
Yeah, Harris bowls behind the line at least 12 to 18 inches every time. I doubt he'll bowl no ball. But what a win. What a performance by Pakistan. Not with batting, but they came out, they were confident, they can defend 135. Shaheen Shafridi started the carnage.
The last ball. Make it legal. Harris Ralph. He does. Slips a Yorker through. Pakistan have defended 135. There's been 17 editions of the Asia Cup across 50 over and 20 over format, and the world is finally got what it wants. The first time in Asia Cup history that Pakistan will take on India in the final. Finally, we got there, Wasim Akram, and it's sure to be a cracker on Sunday.
Absolutely. Incredible. What a comeback by Pakistan team. They can take this confidence, this momentum on Sunday against India in the finals. But this performance will definitely give them a lot of confidence as a team. Doesn't matter it's batting, bowling or fielding. They really came out today with that mindset. We're going to defend this low total we put on the board. So brilliant performance by Shaheen Shafridi. Then of course Harris Ralph 3 for 33. Then Ibrar bowled well. Nawaz was all over, catches, runs, a wicket. And then Saim Ayub 2 for 16 in his 4. It's just a phenomenal performance by this Pakistani team.
They are high quality. You would have thought Bangladesh at the halfway stage would have taken 135 gleefully and thought, yeah, we can chase this. But Pakistan had other things in mind, and how important that 80 runs off the last 8 overs. Really crucial. Mohammad Harris with 31 off 23, Nawaz with 25 off 15. They were 55 for 5 after 12. Managed to fight their way to a target that they thought they could defend. And defend it they have. It has been brilliant, and they have booked their place in the final of the DP World Asia Cup for 2025. And are they happy about it? You bet they are. Their fans will be back on Sunday, along with a plethora of Indian fans as well. That was the last delivery. 145 kilometers per hour, straight through to the keeper. And Pakistan win by 11 runs. And this is what it all means now. Sunday, 6:30 p.m, the 28th of September, the Dubai International Stadium, India versus Pakistan. That is the final of the DP World Asia Cup for 2025.